Hey everyone, Heather Morstatter here with Morstatter Residential of Keller Williams Realty. And today we're going to take a look around at 18929 Canyon Sage Lane for our Falcon Pointe Home of the Week. (18929) Canyon Sage Lane was built in 2007. It is 2,895 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, along with a 2.5 car garage. Upon entering the home, you are graced by high ceilings and custom wrought iron stairwell that makes for great entrance. The formal dining has high ceilings as well as entry to the kitchen through the butler's pantry. This great kitchen offers tons of counter space and cabinet space, perfect for an entertainer's delight. Open to the living and eat-in kitchen area, great family room which exudes tons of natural light with a gorgeous ceiling-to-floor stone fireplace. The downstairs offers 2 bedrooms on the main floor as well as 2 full baths. One feature that I'd like to just express a little more details is the downstairs secondary bedroom has a full bath off of the room, which has a walk-in shower, so this area is just perfect for guests or young children. The master suite exudes natural light throughout the windows and is accented by a great master bath, offers his and hers vanity, great soaking garden tub, as well as a separate shower. The upstairs has every room you could think of and more. Great for entertaining or just for a great night at the home with the family. You've got a game room with pool table as well as a separate media room where you might just want to cozy up and watch a movie together. The 2 secondary bedrooms located upstairs are of great size and has great closet space, along with the Jack and Jill bathroom. One of the rooms has an ensuite connection to the Jack and Jill for more privacy. The owners have gone to great extent to really enjoy this backyard. They've added on an extended flagstone patio as well as planted multiple trees to provide great privacy. Just want to take a moment to thank you for spending some time with us today as we viewed our Falcon Pointe Home of the Week. This home was listed by myself, Heather Morstatter, with Morstatter Residential of Keller Williams Realty. And again, we're at 18929 Canyon Sage Lane. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we'd be honored for the opportunity to spend some time with you about how we can serve you further and in the greater Austin area.